Here's the February 2017 build for $400. As you can see, the total is $374.43. It comes with an Intel Pentium G4560 3.5 GHz dual-core processor. It is a hyper-threaded part, which means it operates more like a Core i3. ASUS H110M motherboard. Team Elite Plus 8 GB of RAM. Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. EVGA GeForce GTX 1050. Rosewell Micro ATX mini tower case. And a Seasonic 350 watt power supply. And there it is. This should run games at 1080p on medium to high settings.